What's the big idea behind this 3UI repo?
This is a living, interactive catalog of 3D UI components built with React and 3JS. It's like a design system, but for 3D experiences. The repo includes everything you need to explore, use, and extend these components locally, without needing to log in or install anything extra.
What's the problem it's solving for developers?
It solves the problem of finding and using high-quality, ready-to-use 3D UI components. Before this, you'd have to build from scratch or find a component that might not fit well with your project. This repo gives you a curated collection of 50-plus components with full source and variants, all in one place.
How does the architecture work under the hood?
It's built on React and 3JS, with a focus on modularity and performance. The app is structured to be a single-page application with lazy loading for components, and it uses a Vite-based build system optimized for fast development. The 3JS rendering is handled in a way that allows for interactive previews and live edits without reloading the page.
What's interesting about the way it uses 3JS?
One of the standout features is how it integrates shaders for complex 3D effects. The repo includes a large number of ready-to-use shaders, which are applied dynamically based on component needs. This makes it easy to create visually stunning UIs without needing to write custom shader code from scratch.
What about how it manages component variants and controls?
Each component comes with multiple variants, and the controls for those variants are exposed in a way that's both flexible and easy to use. You can toggle between variants and see the changes in real time. This is especially useful for designers and developers who want to experiment with different layouts and effects quickly.
How does it handle the synchronization of components from the main project?
The repo includes a powerful sync mechanism that pulls in the latest community components from the main 3UI project. It filters out pro and beta components and ensures that only free variants and controls are included. This sync is automated and runs after every push to the main branch, ensuring the catalog is always up to date.
What about the licensing and how it handles dependencies?
The repo is MIT licensed, and it carefully manages its dependencies to ensure compatibility and performance. It includes external licenses for fonts and libraries like 3JS, and it avoids any pro-specific content or authentication systems. This makes it safe and easy to use for open-source projects and commercial applications alike.
What's the role of the CLI tool mentioned in the README?
The CLI tool is used for managing pro components and syncing with the main 3UI project. It uses OAuth with PKCA for secure authentication, and it ensures that only entitled users can download pro components. This tool is essential for maintaining the separation between free and pro content, while still allowing for smooth integration when needed.
What's the build system like, and how does it optimize for performance?
The build system is powered by Vite, which is known for fast cold starts and hot module replacement. The configuration uses Rollup to bundle the components and optimize for size. It externalizes dependencies like React and 3JS to reduce the final bundle size. And it generates separate entry points for each component to improve tree shaking and modularity.
What's the significance of the community sync report.json file?
That file is a detailed report of the sync process, including counts of components, variants, and controls. It ensures that the community version of the repo is in sync with the main project, and it helps maintain consistency in the catalog. It also tracks any discrepancies between the free and pro versions of the components.
How does the repo handle component previews and source code?
Every component has a preview that can be interacted with in the browser. The source code is available in the repo, and it's also exported as part of the NPM package. This makes it easy for developers to explore the code, understand how each component works, and adapt it to their own projects.
What about the user experience for someone exploring the catalog?
The user experience is designed to be intuitive and immersive. The catalog is laid out in a grid that's easy to navigate, and each component has a live preview, a description, and a set of controls. You can filter components by category, search for specific ones, and even customize the UI to match your project's needs.
How does the repo ensure compatibility across different environments?
The repo uses a modular approach that makes it easy to adapt to different environments. It's built to be responsive and works well on both desktop and mobile. The use of React ensures consistent behavior across platforms, and the Three.js integration is optimized for performance on a wide range of devices.
What are the limitations or caveats of this repo?
One major limitation is that it doesn't include Pro components, which are only available through the main ThreeUI project. Another is that some advanced features, like full Pro-level shaders and controls, are not available in the community version. However, the repo is designed to be a complete solution for building 3D UIs without those Pro features.
What's the main value proposition for developers using this repo?
The main value is having a ready-to-use, extensible catalog of 3D UI components that are both visually stunning and technically robust. It's a great starting point for developers who want to build immersive web experiences without needing to write everything from scratch, and it's a valuable resource for designers looking to experiment with 3D interfaces.
Who should care about this repo?
Anyone building web applications with Three.js or looking to create immersive 3D UIs should care about this repo. It's ideal for designers, 3D developers, and anyone interested in the intersection of web technologies and interactive design.